unboxing a United bike and reviewing it. Let's go. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys remember, I had made a top 5 United cycles video, and while making the video, it was at Newton Cycles. They offered to give me a couple of bikes to review. They sent me 2 cycles, and this is the United Miami 4.0. So let's first assemble the bike, do a bike spec, and do a review. Now that the bike is assembled, let's first stare at it. Now that we've finished staring at it, let's do a bike spec and review. The 27.5-inch MTB tires are mounted on double wall alloy rims. And this is on a United self-branded hub. Continuing on with the front, you have a 120mm suspension over here. This comes with a lockout and a load adjuster. This handlebar and stem combination ensures that you have good control of the bike. The drivetrain of this bike is a 27 speed. The 9-speed cassette at the back has a Shimano Alivio derailleur. The 3 cranks in the front has a Shimano Altis derailleur. And all this is controlled with the Shimano Altis shifters. Quick release is available on both the wheels and the seat post. There is a single accessory mounting point and a stand comes as standard fitting. The internal routing of cables on this bike gives the bike nice clean lines. Well guys, now I'm gonna go take this bike for a ride so that I can share with you guys my opinion about, well, the components and how it rides. Well, and now the frame comfort. This bike's frame is really comfortable and gives into a nice steady ride. It's easy, it's comfortable, does not put any strain on you. So it's got an awesome frame and, well, you're going to enjoy your ride. Going on with rider comfort, the handlebar is a nice comfortable handlebar, so it's good for city commutes and wide enough that you can hit any trail and get good control too. The front shock absorber is an SR Suntour, it's an XCM, so it's quite comfortable, gives you good shock absorbing abilities not just on road but on trails too. The drivetrain of this bike is a 27 speed, so being 9x3, it gives you a nice wide range of gearing. So this is going to give you comfortable ride in city, on trails, climbing inclines or going downhill fast. Any of these, this gearing is going to give you company. The pedals in this are made of metal, so it's going to be a nice, durable and last you a really long time. Besides giving you good grip all the time. The hand grips are comfortable and give you good grip. The seat also gives you nice rider comfort. When it comes to braking, there is a Shimano hydraulic disc brakes on this bike. It's a 160mm both front and rear, and it's going to give you a good stopping power on the trail and on the road. So this bike weighs in at about 15 kgs, which is not bad when you consider that this is an MTB with shock absorbers in the front. And now the price of the bike. This bike is priced at 40,990 rupees, about 41,000 rupees. And at that price, this is a good bike and well, will get you started on the road and on the trail. That's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.